Hey everyone, Josh here from Stellar, and I'm back to help you recover your data faster, smoother, and with fewer hiccups. Is Stellar data recovery taking too long? Freezing, or even crashing during a scan? No worries, it's usually an easy fix, and I'll walk you through it in under 2 minutes. Here's what's typically behind the slowdown. Scanning large drives, like 1 or 2 terabytes, naturally takes longer, especially in deep scan mode. If the drive has bad sectors or corruption, Stellar slows down while trying to read those damaged parts. Tons of small files or big video files can also stretch out the scan time. If your system has low RAM, outdated drivers, or your antivirus is interfering, that can cause crashes or freezing. And for external drives, disconnects during the scan are a common issue. Now, here's what you can do to avoid those issues and speed up recovery. Instead of scanning the whole drive, try custom recovery. It's faster and more targeted. For drives with bad sectors, create a disk image first and recover from that. It's both safer and quicker. Close background apps and browsers, and make sure your system has at least 8 GB of RAM if you're running big scans. Run Stellar as administrator, and be sure to add it to your antivirus allow list. For external drives, use reliable USB ports and cables, and check that your destination drive has plenty of free space. And if you're running an older version of Stellar, just uninstall it, download the latest from stellarinfo.com, reinstall, and reboot. Stellar is built to be thorough, even if that means scans take a bit longer. But with these tips, you'll get better results, faster, and with fewer interruptions. Need more help? Hit the support links below. If this video helped you out, give it a like, subscribe, and explore our channel for more recovery tips.